Innovation in docking stations. That's our Techstination. Joining us is Daniel Lollo, co-founder and chief technology officer at Energysquare, based in Paris. Hi, Daniel.
Hi, how are you?
Terrific. Well, give us a little background, first of all, about Energysquare.
So Energysquare is an innovative company based in France, and we developed the first truly wireless docking solutions for laptops that allows your laptop to be charged just by placing it over the surface and also connected to monitors, webcam, and any accessories by only placing it on the surface.
Now, a lot of people are familiar with wireless charging for their phones. Similar experience here?
So the main difference is the technology itself. We are not using induction. Induction is the transfer of energy using two coils, one to transmit, one to receive. We're just using conduction, and conduction is the same principle than a power plug. When you're plugging your power plug on an outlet, you're going to recreate a double contact and you're going to transfer the energy. It's a very basic phenomenon that has a very good efficiency. And so we are recreating this double contact whenever you place your laptop on the surface. And this has a lot of advantages. And the first one is the efficiency. We can reach 97% of efficiency. And this means that we can go to higher power. And this is why we are right now working with laptop industry, because laptops are charging more and more around 100 watts. And it's around 10 times higher than the power that you need for your phone. So with laptop, it's harder to use induction, but it's really simple to use our technology because at 100 watts, you'd only lose 3% of power losses. And this means just a few degrees of temperature increase. Nothing to be compared to inductive technology that are more around 60 to 70% of efficiency. 100 watts charging at 60% of efficiency, it means 40 watts, sorry, more than 40 watts of power losses. And this is really difficult to deal with.
And exciting times for you. You have a partnership with Lenovo for what's called the ThinkBook wireless dock. Tell us about it.
So the ThinkBook wireless dock combined two technologies, two breakthrough technologies. The first one is the wireless charging technology that I just mentioned. And the second one is a docking solution, a wireless docking solution designed by Synaptics that allows your device to be connected to a dock over Wi-Fi. The combined solution allows you, as I said at the beginning, to place your laptop on the surface. And whenever you're going to place your laptop on the surface, you're going to be charging and you're going to be connected to your docking. So you can go up to two 4K monitors connection. You can be connected to your corporate network. You can be connected to your webcam, your keyboard, your mouse, everything just by placing your laptop on the surface.
People might wonder, okay, if you're transferring higher power, why just by putting something on the surface? Is that surface safe to touch, or if you accidentally spilled something on it, things like that?
So this is the key of our technology. It's a core part of the technology. Doing a power plug is quite simple. It's actually a century-old technology. But turning this power plug into something completely safe in 2-dimension over the full surface, it has required a lot of research. So we have the most advanced foreign object detection solutions to prevent any current surge from happening even before it happens. So if you spill water, if you spill coffee on the surface, we're going to detect it and we're going to understand it within a few nanoseconds. So we're going to shut down the power even before it starts surging. And all this technology has been developed for the last six years. We have a lot of patents all around the world on these topics, and they are key to bring conductive technology to the market. They are an essential part of bringing a power plug in 2-dimension in front of you.
So it would be safe if I was to put my hand on it, or two hands on it, or a child were to do that, or a pet were to crawl across it?
You're gonna have so no reactions on the surface because the only powered elements will be under your laptop. So if you place your hands on the surface when nothing is charging on the surface, nothing is going to happen. If something is charging, you're going to have to spill liquid underneath your laptop to be in contact with the power plug, I would say. And in this case, there is the 100 nanosecond reaction time that we developed. So this is why you have really not only one layer, but a multiple layer of protections against foreign objects, and it's completely safe. We have been designing this for workspace environments, but also for power tools environments where you have intensive usage. You're not going to only use it with coffee. You can use it with oil. You can use it with very corrosive materials, and it always passed the test and the norms because of this very strong, reliable protection we designed.
Well, tell us about other applications and perhaps other partners.
So laptop industry is the main industry in which we are focusing in. We're designing embedded solutions such as the one you have with Lenovo's laptop. We are also designing accessories. We have been designing universal USB-C accessories, so it can turn any USB-C device into a compatible one. And we have also been working in other industries where you need a multi-charging solution to increase the efficiency of the usages. So it could be in power tool industry, it could be in wellness environments, in sales environments, everywhere where you have an intensive usage of battery powered devices, and it's growing. So we have more and more of these environments. This solution can be completely adapted. We've been able to charge up to 20 devices simultaneously, and this say that at full charge speed. So you can really have a completely fleet that is wirelessly charging with this technology.
So what are the key advantages here? People might wonder, okay, it's not a big deal to plug something in. What are the big advantages?
So I think that plugging requires a certain time and a certain checks at the end of the day. So if you have, for example, I'm taking one example that I think can answer this question. In the educational market, we have fleets, laptop fleets that are given to the childrens, and at the end of the day, they need to plug in it every time they leave the room. And we have been contacted with a lot of vendors that are just here they had to hire someone to go and check that all the laptops were charged at the end of the day. And if not, it will be a big deal for the next day because one children will not have its laptop. With this technology, we are able really to just be sure that all the laptop fleet of the entire classroom is completely charged and ready, operable for the next day. So this is an example just in a classroom, but we can apply this to a lot of environments where you have intensive usage. And the first one, of course, is the workstation. In the workstation, there is another very important point, which is the flex office. After COVID-19, we are more and more using flex offices, and this means that the employee, they don't have a unique desk, and they may be able to change the desk twice a day sometimes. So they need a reliable solution to both power and access the tools of the company. And so this is why the partnership we have been designed with Synaptic is really interesting, because it brings everything in one stop. You just place your laptop there. You can be connected to your corporate network. You can remove it, go to a meeting room, and you place your laptop, and you're connected to your screen, and you can share your presentation. So I think the usages in the workspace are changing, and so it's both a question of intensive usage and simplicity of connectivity access, I would say. So the workstation environment is the most is the use case where you have the two options, the two points that are merging.
How expensive is the technology? That would be another question consumers and businesses might have?
So it's a technology that is based on conductive technology. Sorry. So unlike conductive technologies, you don't have DC to AC components. You don't have very expensive components that need to change the physical principle of the power transfer. You just have DC input coming out directly from a USB-C, for example, power plug, and we are just transferring this DC power directly to your device. So there's no power conversion in between. And this is why also we have a very good efficiency. And this means that the technology can be as cheap as a normal charger. And this is the goal. We want to design something that has the same efficiency as a normal charger and the same price tag as a normal charger or as a normal docking station. So the product that will be available on the market, you will see it. They will be on the same price range and they will be on the same business line than the normal docking station or the normal power plugs.
And you mentioned that there may be an option for people to adapt the notebooks that they already have to be able to utilize this. Tell me about it.
So we have been designing lately a concept of dongles, universal dongles working over USB-C. And this concept has been adapted already by Lenovo. So they have designed a dongle working with any laptop, Lenovo laptop working in USB-C. So you just plug it on the side of your laptop and that's it. Your laptop is retrofitted to the technology. We're pushing more and more this principle also because we believe that you may have a corporate fleet made of two main laptops, but you may want to adapt also other laptops, maybe laptops from people that are not part of the company or something like that. And so we are working with accessories vendors that will be announcing accessories lines this year. And the first one to announce it has been Hyper at DCS.
Terrific. For more information, where should people go?
So about the technology, you can go check online on energysquare.co. If you want to have more information on Lenovo wireless docking station, you can go to ThinkBook wireless docking stations and you Google it and you'll find it. It should be available starting June 2023.
Well, congratulations on the innovations there. Daniel Lollo, thank you for spending time with us.
Thank you. Thank you very much.